As you can see, that market is trying its best to cross the high of 2080 for the last couple of days and weeks, but unable to do so. And we can also see that momentum is losing on the market. So as a result, there is a big fall possible. A big fall of at least 1000 pips is possible on the chart of gold in the coming days. So that was me, my dear friends, around 10 days ago when I told you guys that there is a big fall possible on the chart of gold. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday we saw a big sharp rise on the chart of dollar. There was a fall on charts like gold, Euro USD, GBP USD and others. If you look at the chart of DXY, then you can see that DXY is rising. In fact, on Saturday we discussed about the possibility of a good up move on the chart of DXY because we had a clear breakout and we also had a bullish engulfing pattern on the weekly chart. So this was expected, and DXY is bullish right now. DXY right now standing at 103.50. During the day, if DXY comes for some retracement, then you can expect 103.20, 103 to act as support. But overall, DXY is bullish till the US session. Yes, till the US session, you can consider DXY to be bullish because you can see that we have a big event coming up, Fed Chair Powell's picks. So this will bring some crazy volatility to the market. So my dear friends, please be careful during the news. Do not forget that whenever fundamentals come into the scene, technicals usually fail. So beginners, new traders, try to close down all the US dollar position before the news because market will get scary. Please follow proper risk management and do not gamble with your hard-earned money during the news time. Okay, so till the event, before event, you can expect dollar to be bullish. Dollar should remain like this. After news, nobody knows, nobody can predict what will happen to the market. But yesterday we got to see a huge upside on the chart of dollar because market is mostly expecting that there will be further interest rate hikes in the future. Dollar started falling down because market was expecting that there would not be any need of interest rate hikes. But again, due to the present scenario, market is hoping that there would be interest rate hikes, as a result of which we got to see a bullish dollar yesterday, because of which gold, Euro USD and others started falling. So today's event is extremely important. Okay. Now let's talk about the gold. So yesterday gold made a low of 1952. Okay, gold made a low of 1952, and we can see that right now gold is standing at 1962. The fall I was expecting, already we have received around 700 to 800 pips already, but right now you can see that market is trying to recover, which is quite natural because no market in the world goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern. See, this is how market is working. So this is just a retracement, and in this type of market scenario, when market is constantly forming lower highs and lower lows, you should be looking for sell opportunities only. If you're already holding a sell position from the top where I predicted a sell, be on the trade, no need to exit. Okay, after news, if the trend of the market changes, then you can exit. But before news, do not exit because there is a further downside possible. So before the speech, observe the market around 1969. Yes, around 1969, you can consider that market may face some resistance, some sellers to be present around 1969. If market struggles around 1969 and reverses, you can look for a sell position. And those traders who have taken buy position early in the morning, you can be on the trade, but keep in mind that taking a buy position in a falling market at retracement is very risky. So if you are a safe trader, okay, if you prefer to play it safe, then obviously you should be looking for sell position around this level or sell position around this level. So the first level during the day, is 1969, and the second level during the day is 1975 to 1979. So wait and watch. If you already have taken a buy position in the morning in the Asian session, be on the trade, because you can see that market is going up, and this kind of recovery is quite natural. Market will obviously try to recover, okay, but this does not mean that this is a trend reversal. Trend reversal is a completely different chapter. This is not trend reversal, this is just recovery, temporary recovery, you can say. So 1969, if market reverses, you can look for a quick sell, and if the sell continues, then obviously it will be a big trade, you can be on the trade. But in case the upside continues till European session, then obviously you should avoid the sell of 1969 and wait for the market to hit 1975 to 1979. This is a resistance zone, and hopefully market will not be able to cross 1975-79 level. Simply go to the 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame and wait for the market to struggle or reverse. Once you see the market is struggling around this area and reversing, okay, you can simply click on the sell button. Simple strategy, sell on rise. Okay, you can see the market, whenever market is going up, market is facing resistance, so sell on rise is the best strategy in this market scenario right now. And one more thing I would like to add here is that, and in case you miss the opportunity, and during the day, if you see, then market breaks 1952, okay, if market breaks 1952, then also you can look for a sell position. So these are the selling opportunities on the chart of gold right now. Again, I'm repeating that if you are a positional trader, if you already have taken a sell position around 10 days ago, where I told you guys, then you can be on the trade further downside possible, at least before the news, okay. And if you see that after news the trend changes, okay, then you can exit from the positional trade. Day traders, before news, if the market goes up and reverses from 1969-68 level, you can look for a sell. Or on the other hand, if market breaks 1968-69 level, no need to take anything. Just wait for the market to hit 1975, 76, 79 level. We have a good resistance for the day, because you can see that previous support is there that will act as resistance. If market reverses, then there also you can easily look for a sell position. Considering the present structure of the market here, taking a sell on the rise is the best strategy for day traders. And if someone have already taken a buy position at the during the Asian session, then you can be on the trade, because market seems to be going up right now. But keep in mind, this is just temporary, okay. And in case during the day market breaks 1952 level, then also we can look for a sell. Those who have already taken a buy position, okay, those who have taken a buy position are already on the buy position on the chart of gold. My dear friend, I don't know what will happen after news, because nobody can predict it. But if the fall continues, then you should be careful, because we can clearly see that we have further downside. Okay, we can clearly see that further downside possible on the higher time frame. So always keep in mind, it is better to exit with loss than to wipe out your account. So if the trend continues, then it's better to exit from the buy position and follow the trend of the market, okay. And the only support that we have right now is around 1936, okay. Around 1936 we have a support zone. I don't think so that this support of 1936 will work after news. After news, market will be extremely volatile, nothing will work. But before news, before the speech, if market drops, then 1936 should work as support. If you see the market is taking support around this area, market is showing price rejection from below, you can definitely expect 1936 to act as the support, okay. But after news, after the speech, okay, I am not sure what are the levels that will work as support or resistance. But after news, though we do not have anything right now, but still you can expect 2005, okay. If market starts going up, 2005 has the potential of acting as resistance. And at the bottom we have 1900, okay, 1900 level or 1910. Around 1900 level, you can expect the market to take support because of the round number psychological support. That's it. But high chance that it may not work. So as a result, after the speech. If you want to trade, then it is better to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals. Hopefully you got my point. So my dear friends, that's all from my side. And as you guys already know that the English workshop is coming up. Today is the last day of the Hindi workshop, so Hindi workshop is over, but the English workshop is coming up. It's the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, if you really want to learn how the market works, then you can definitely consider joining the 3 days workshop, because after the workshop you'll also receive support for 1 month. And my dear friends, I have also shared my story and also a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Most importantly, this workshop is not for beginners. This workshop is only for those people who have been struggling with the market, those who are unable to make money from the market. Okay, so if you're also struggling with the market, then you can definitely consider joining the workshop. You'll find all the things on the website. The link is in the description. You can see this is the curriculum. And the best part is the fees. It's only $15 for 3 days workshop and 1 month support. Date and time is mentioned on the website. Okay, and it's the WhatsApp number where you need to share the screenshot after payment. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.